How to enable or disable precise GPS location for an app on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down, then tap on Privacy and Security. After that, we tap on Location Services. Then in the list of apps in here, open up an app that you want to change. So for example, calendar. Then go down and choose precise location. Tap on that to turn it off or switch it on. Now if you select never, then obviously precise location will not be visible. So you need to choose while using the app or when asked next time or when I share. Once you select the options that is available with a precise location, then you can simply activate it or turn it off. And after that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.